Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is your first practical lesson of HTML, right? In beginning it will be a little bit difficult, but inshallah with the passage of time you will be used to this, then you will have no problem. First of all, you have to create folder, right? Here I am having folder by the name of classes, morning, Control Shift N, term S. And what's the date today? 05-04-2012. Inside this one folder I will save my files, right? Inside this one folder I will save my file. So you should create folder over the desktop, and on the desktop you have to save your HTML files, right? Now the first step, window or notepad. In the notepad we will write our HTML code. Okay, font size increased here. Now watch it out, this is the start. Less than HTML greater than sign. HTML is a paired tag. A tag once started whose closing is necessary. HTML tag started and HTML tag closed. Here I have written HTML. Now how to close? I have written the same thing, HTML here, but before H here I have written /, right? Now how to save? First of all I am going to save it. File, save. Over the desktop here I am having folder by the name of classes, morning, term S, and that folder selected. Now here in this one text box, what I have to do? Watch carefully. Double quote start, double quote start, and double quote close. Now in between the double quote start and close here, write any file name, then .html. Got it? Instead of this thing ASDF, write here proper name. For example, I am writing here first, then .html. Why these double quotes start and double quotes close? I am going to explain here. And save. Where I saved? Classes, morning, term S, 5/4/2012, and this is you are having first.html, right? Now let me explain that point to you people. After that I am proceeding. Here in the notepad I have written HTML tag started and HTML tag closed, right? Now who will run these tags? Browser will run. Right now I am having browser, Internet Explorer. Double click on first.html and check its output. This is browser. This is browser. And this is the output. I've just started HTML tag started and HTML tag closed. Nothing else I have written. So that's why the page is also coming blank here in front of you. Khali page. Right? Now here on the title I would like to write something. Here on the title I would like to write something. So what I have to do? Again, open notepad. Inside HTML start and close. I'm writing here title tag started, and title tag is a paired tag, so you have to close it. Close. Here I'm writing, for example, this text I have written. File and save. Changes saved, minimize. Watch here carefully. Refresh it. The information which I have written, these information SAJDLKF, all these things are here. It's on title, yeah. Now you have to write proper information. It's not like this. Proper information I mean to say, this is just for style I've written. My first practical. File, save, and output. Refresh it. You are having a proper title here right now. Up to here, okay? Okay. Starting from this corner to this corner, then to this one corner, this one, and then again the first one column. This full white area is called as body. This full white area is called as body, right? Now I would like to write something here in this body, in this area I would like to write something. Then what I have to do? Again, title tag started, title tag close. Now outside the title, but inside HTML, start and close. Here I'm starting body tag. Body tag started, enter, and body tag close. Now in between the body start and close, I will write, for example, I'm writing in the name of Allah. File, save, output, refresh. It's going to display here in the body. Now again, watch carefully. I have written in the name of Allah. Cursor is here. Press enter. I am here on the next line. I am here on the next line. Here I am writing hello. This is second line. Hello, this is second line. File, save. Watch out here carefully. What's this? What's the problem? In the name of Allah, and then I pressed enter, mean to say I need this line. Hello, this is second line here on the, mean to say after in the name of Allah I need this. Hello, this is second line. On the next line I want, but it's displaying in one line. Again enter. I'm going to press enter. This is third line. File, save, output, refresh. The same thing, each and everything is going to print in one line, but I need it in next line. Then in the name of Allah, after in the name of Allah, here I'm going to use a tag that is called as break, less than BR. This is unpaired tag. Once started, there is no closing. It means to say, it means that print in the name of Allah. It's going to print in the name of Allah. After that, what's this? BR. BR means shift to next line. Shift to next line. So mean to say, hello, this is second line, and hello, this is third line. They will be printed on the second line. Watch it out. Refresh. File, save, and now here refresh it. I want the next line. Hello, this is third line. I want this to be on the next line, on the third line. So in front of this one, hello, this is second line. Here as well I'm writing BR. File, save, output, refresh. Again in front of this one I'm writing BR 3 times, 4 times. It's up to you. How many times I've written here? 4 times. So mean to say it will after third line it will shift itself 4 times down, right? And here for example I'm writing what I've written. File, save, output, refresh. Check it out. After the third line, 1 2 3 4, and here in the fifth line it has written bold, bold, bold. Now in the next line I want some text. Again. So here in front of bold, once more I'm writing BR, and I'm writing italic, italic, italic. File, save, output, refresh. In the next line I'm having italic, italic, italic. Now I need on the next line some more text. So here I'm writing BR, and sorry, that is underlined, once more. That's it, 3 times enough, right? And here once more I'm using BR. File, save, and mix text. File, save, and here check out the output once more. Refresh. I mean to say on one line I'm having bold, on another line I'm having italic, on another line underline, and on another line mixed text. Why I have written this bold, bold, bold? I want this line to be bold. I want this line to be bold, right? What's the meaning of bold? For example, if this was MS Word, the procedure will be like this. Select the line and press Ctrl B. For italic, Ctrl I. For underline, Ctrl U. But this is not MS Word, this is HTML. So what I have to do? Watch carefully. In the notepad, I need which one line to be bold? bold, bold, bold. The line in which I have written bold, 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 right? So before this bold, I'm writing here B tag. Mean to say, start the tag and apply the bold on this bold, 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 right? File, save, output. Now watch carefully here. Watch carefully towards this one line. Sabr. Refresh. All of them became bold. I want only this line to be bold. Only this line. So mean to say, the B tag is peer tag. I haven't closed it. Mean to say, started here, and I want bold up to here. So close B tag here. Close B. File, save, output. Now check it out. Refresh. Okay now. The first line is bold. Now what about the next one? For bold I use B. For italic what I will use? I. Here I am starting. I take, started. File, save. Again, check output. Refresh. Is this okay? Yeah. Okay for the second line. Okay for the second line. But what about underline line and mixed text? These two should not be. They are not supposed to be underlined. They are not supposed to be italic. So what I have to do? Italic text started here, and I have to close it here directly in front of italic. Close I. File, save, output, refresh. Is this okay now? Now for bold I use B, for italic I use I, and for underline, yeah, I will use U. And same case, U is also peer tag. Close U. File, save, output, refresh. Watch it out, it's underlined. Mixed text. From mixed text, I mean to say, I want this text to be at the same time bold, italic, underline at the same time. So for bold, what we have to use? Before the text, use B. For italic, use I. For underline, use U. And as you have started all of them, B you have started, U you have started, I also as well started. So at the end of text, close all of them. Close B, close I, and close U. File, save, output. This one text at the same time bold, italic, and underline. Right? Okay. Okay, now we are going to study the attributes for body. Now watch out carefully here. In front of body, I am applying space. Watch carefully please, multimedia please, concentration here. Space. In front of body, I applied space. Here I am writing BG color. What's this? Body. In front of body, I have written BG color. I want the BG stands for background color. BG stands for background and color means color, rang. Background color for the body, I would like to change is equal to, in double quotes, start double quotes, close, right here red. File, save, output, refresh. Color change to red color. Again, instead of red color, refresh. Any color which you can apply, any color which you know its name, you can apply. For example, what? Any color. Come on. Brown. Save. Refresh. Any color. Got it? Light colors. Light green. File, save, output, refresh. Got it? Now here I am having another property and another attribute, space. I would like to change the color of text. Or for example, here I am writing the background color black. File, refresh. Text visible? Why?
Because the same color.
The text color is also black and the background color is also black. But my client, for example, I am making the website for someone and that person is saying that I need background to be black color. No, I have to change the text color to white color, yellow color, green color, right? So what I have to do? Again, you are having here in the body I use BG color. Mean to say I want the, excuse me, most of the students they are doing like this. Body no space and BG color is equal to black. This separate thing you have to apply space here. Now here again, if you would like to apply in another attribute, there again space, and I have to use space here right now because the background color is black and the text color inside the body I want that to be in white color. File, save, output. Is this clear? Yeah. Instead of this you can also write here yellow color, green color. Right? Now again, if you are not applying, that will be wrong. The effect will not be applied. Effect will not be applied. Right? Okay. I want some picture. I want some picture on the background of this text. Mean to say on this body I need some picture. So for that, what you have to do? First of all, find out a picture. First of all, find out a picture. Computer, pictures, sample pictures. For example, let me copy this one, tulip picture, right? Right click, copy. Picture copied. Where I have saved my file? In the classes, morning, term S, 5/4/2012, paste it here. You have to do like this, right? Okay. What I have done? Simply I have copied and pasted the picture here, right? Now, what you have to do? Picture copied from this one location. Watch it out. Pictures, sample picture, right click, copy, and after that what I've done, classes, morning, term S, 5/4/2012, and I pasted the picture here, right? Control V. Now after this what you have to do, you have to find out the extension of this one file, extension of this one picture. Either its extension is JPG, either its extension is GIF, either its extension is BMP, right? Extension, the type of file. So what you have to do? You have to click on tools. No property. You have to click on tools, folder options. In the folder option you are having view. Now in the view, what's this? Hide extension for non-file types. No, uncheck this one. Uncheck. Apply. Yeah, that was unchecked, but I have done for you. Okay. Now simply right click on this file, click on rename. It's the whole select file name plus its extension. Selected. Right click, copy. I copied the file name and its extension. Now what you have to do? In the body, space, BACKGROUND, background is equal to, double quotes start, double quotes closed. In between, paste it. Control S, output. You have to save the file. Okay, if you are not saving, it will not, the effect will not be shown here. Refresh it, and here you are having the output. Now the text is not visible. Text is not visible. Then, yeah, change the color. So change the here text. I've written light green instead of light green. Here I'm mentioning. Yeah, also you can write blue color. Okay, right. Mention blue color. Red is not visible. Blue is also visible. Sky blue. Maybe there is some problem with the sky blue. Yeah, sky blue not visible. Blue is visible. Right? These are dark colors. Is this clear?